Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by ensuring the environment supports zoom controls. Update Jupyter to the latest release so built-in features work. Once done, open your notebook and set the browser zoom to a neutral 100% to avoid compounded scaling. Next, install or enable extensions like NB extensions for Classic Notebook or confirm Jupyter Labs view menu options. This gives you more precise controls. Make sure your browser and OS accessibility settings won't conflict, because consistent baseline scaling prevents visual glitches later. Now you change zoom where it matters. Use browser shortcuts, Control or CMD with +/- for instant whole page scaling, which affects toolbars and cells equally. In Jupyter Lab, navigate view to zoom in /out or adjust font sizes via settings. This modifies editor, output, and menus consistently. For Classic Notebook, enable NB extensions such as code font size, or inject a small custom CSS to scale only cell text if you prefer. This selective approach prevents code wrapping issues while keeping cells readable and aligned. Finish by saving your preferred layout or adding a tiny stylus sheet to the user directory so zoom and font settings persist across sessions. Then, test with large outputs and plots. Increase cell width or enable overflow wrapping to avoid clipped content. If something breaks, like misaligned cells or tiny UI elements, reset the browser zoom to 100%, clear cache, and disable any newly added extensions one at a time to find conflicts. Finally, restart the Jupyter server to apply changes cleanly and restore predictable behavior.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.